Hello everyone, the youyeetoo X1 is a single-board computer based on the x86 architecture, launched by youyeetoo Tech Company, capable of running the full-featured versions of Windows and Linux, possessing the characteristics of low cost and high performance. In the previous video, we introduced how to light up an OLED screen using IIC under Linux. Today, we will attempt to write our own OLED driver program. As is well known, in Linux, everything is a file. Therefore, we can achieve data reception and transmission by reading and writing to dev I2CX. We can use the IOCTL function to set the address. Utilize read or write to implement read and write functionality. Write the corresponding header file. Provide a set of APIs for users to operate I2C. Next, write the main function. First, we need to write initialization data to the SSD1306. Re-encapsulate the API provided by Mayak once more. If characters need to be displayed, it is necessary to use a mask-making software for creating a mask. Obtain the bitmap and then proceed with the display. It can be observed that our screen has already lit up. The next video will guide you through compiling a kernel-based driver program.